Hello kids, welcome to the Curious Caterpillar. Today we are going to learn about birds. Birds have wings, feathers and they love to fly. Let's learn the names of birds with some fun facts. Are you ready? Let's begin. Parrot. Parrots are very colorful birds. They can copy human words and sounds. Parrots love eating fruits, seeds and nuts. Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Male peacocks have beautiful long feathers. Peacocks love to dance in the rain. Pigeon. Pigeons are gentle and friendly birds. They can find their way back home from far places. Pigeons live close to humans. Owl. Owls can see very well at night. They can turn their head almost all around. Owls make a hooting sound. Eagle. Eagles are strong birds. They have very sharp eyesight. Eagles fly high in the sky. Sparrow. Sparrows are small and cute birds. They make chirping sounds. Sparrows live near houses and buildings. Crow. Crows are very intelligent birds. They can recognize human faces. Crows make caw-caw sounds. Duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers. They can swim very well. Ducks have a flat bill for eating. Swan. Swans are beautiful and graceful birds. They have a long curved neck. Swans usually live in lakes and ponds. Hen. Hens lay eggs. They make clucking sounds. Hens live together in groups. Rooster. Roosters crow loudly in the morning. They protect hens and chicks. Roosters have bright, colorful feathers. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck trees to find insects. They have a strong beak. They make a drumming sound on trees. Wow! We learned about many amazing birds today.